Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. I'm filling in for Hamish today because, as you know, he's abroad at the moment after a bit of bad news, but he'll be back soon. So what I'm going to do today is going to have a bit of fun. I'm basically just going to hit Google and I'm going to do a search here as if I was looking for a particular product or website, and I'm going to basically tear down the sites that I come across in real time. So let's have a bit of fun. So let's say, for example, I'm looking for a suit. So I'm going to type in suit jacket Galway. We're in Galway. I'm going to skip past the big brands like Next and stuff like that, and I'm going to go to a local brand, like for example Lally Menswear. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We'll use this one. Good. So I'm going to take a screenshot. I use Go Full Page for this. It's super handy. It just takes screen grabs of full pages. I'm then going to drop that into Miro, and we're going to just basically tear it apart. So the first thing I'm noticing is it is a clean design overall, which is great, but we're missing a trick with the menu in several areas right off the bat. So first of all, we need a more prominent cart, right? This tiny little button here is not going to cut it. Search bar should also be more prominent, so I would personally have a search bar in the middle or maybe up top, but the search bar has to be more prominent. The next big thing then is the shop drop down here on the left. This is a big no-no. We do not want main shop items buried in navigation, in behind these hamburger menus. So straight away we need to get this into individual menu items. If we go back to the site here, you can see these categories: blazers, knitwear, outerwear, shoes, boots, etc. All those things need to be easily accessible in the main navigation, and then you can bury the less important stuff into the hamburger menu over here, but always have your key categories across the top. Okay, so then coming down to this section here, our main header, I would say this is a lot of wasted space, to be honest. I think we can do a lot more with this section. And by that I don't necessarily mean going old school and putting a slider on it, but we could have a couple of buttons here. This is also be a great opportunity to put a little bit of social proof, like a little Trustpilot or Google bar here with 5 stars, and some clear call to actions off then to most profitable categories or something like that. But don't waste this real estate like they are doing. So we're into featured products, which is fine. I would just want to see stars over these. I'd also probably want to see product tags on here as well to say last one in stock, or low stock, or selling fast, or something like that. Let's give them a reason to make a decision. The benefit stack is fine. These aren't particularly compelling. I mean, follow us on Instagram is not really a reason to stick around. I know they're saying style inspiration, but these could be a little bit more inspiring, and we would often stick to just 3 of these just to make it really simple as well. Fine. So then into here, shop by category. Again, this is a bit lackluster. We need to kind of sell the lifestyle and the vision here. So I think we're missing, up until this point, some decent social proof. So before you go back to products, I would probably put a kind of a wall of social proof here. You might do a couple of videos, you might do a couple of written reviews, and just kind of give them like a quick hit of loads of good feedback from users. A great way to do this and collect your feedback is with a tool called Video Ask. Great tool. You can see we've done this on iSuit. Down at the bottom left it should appear like so, and there's kind of just no denying that this is a fashion suit brand. We're buying it from an Italian. He's speaking Italian. But you can also use the same software to collect video reviews from customers privately as well. So if you are a fashion brand, you could put a label in boxes when you're shipping them out and collect video reviews on autopilot. So this area, this should be our social proof area right here. I don't exactly know what this is trying to achieve on the live site here. I mean, I can't tell. Is this? No, these are just images. Safe to say galleries are kind of gone out of fashion. So I would probably do your Instagram embed there instead. You know, if you're referencing style inspiration, then let's give people a teaser of that. Brands then down here, that's fine, but maybe tell people what it is. Show them that, you know, they are brands. Most viewed is fine, but I would also want to probably add a section somewhere in around here, which is recently viewed as well. So not just the most viewed, but also the ones that a user has recently viewed. So yeah, Lally Menswear, if you want some fixes on your site, give us a call. So guys, why is this important? Well, these might all seem like simple points, right? I mean, make this bigger, move that round, add this, change that. But at the end of the day, these are all items which affect a website's propensity to convert. So it is important. And you can add just simple social proof, simple layout changes that can add multiple percentage increases to your conversion rate. So a lot of the time on the channel we talk about how to bring the traffic, which is all great, but we also need to think about how we then convert that traffic. So I would challenge yourself just to have a look at your own homepage, give it a review. Do you have enough social proof? Are you providing quick access to categories and collections? Is your cart prominent? You know, you tagging your products to create urgency. Give a review of your homepage. You'll see in an upcoming video as well, we're going to talk about this in much detail from one of our live training recordings. So be sure to check that one out as well. Hopefully these are just some simple tips and tricks that you can apply to your website and see that conversion rate go up. It's been an absolute pleasure being part of the channel. Just seeing the feedback, the growth, watching what Hamish does with his strategies and everything has just been an honor. When I last checked though, only 42% of you are subscribed, and it would be awesome if you wouldn't mind dropping a subscribe. It really helps us grow. As you know, there's no secrets with this channel. Everything is free. We don't hold anything back, so it would mean a lot to us if you could subscribe. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. If you're watching to the end, you're an absolute legend. Peace out.